Python check if bit in sequence is true or false. I want to find if a bit in a sequence is 1 or 0, true or false. If I have some bit sequence of 11,010,011, how can I check if the fourth position is true or false? Example.
Without the bit shifting. Edit, actually, 1, 3, is optimized out by the compiler. The two solutions are equivalent, choose the one that looks more readable in your context.
Bitwise left shifting and bitwise operator is your friend. In general, you can check if the nth bit is set/unset as below.
You can use bit shifting